Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find ports on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the ports section next to the photos button at the upper side of the screen, and this side you can find ports for different in different countries, for example Spain, Greenland, United Kingdom, Iraq, Egypt and more. And if you want to search a port, just click to the search icon and use the search engine. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.